going on, everybody? It's your boy Fear the Beard, and we're back with another review. This time we're checking out Beardbrand. That's right, Beardbrand. Man, right away I'm just loving how they package this. We got the Tree Ranger utility balm. Nice. We also got the Tree Ranger beard oil, 2018 Year of the Gold, Beardbrand. They threw that sample in there for us. We got the 4 vices. Thank you. So Beardbrand's owned by Eric Banholz out of Austin, Texas. I like the packaging. It's got the amber bottles on both the utility balm and the beard oil. Here's a sample they sent of the 4 vices. It comes in a sample vial. Now, in the utility balm, you're getting a 3.4 ounce utility balm. This goes for $28 on their website. You also got the Tree Ranger beard oil, 1 ounce. This goes for $25 on their website. The scent profile for these is eucalyptus, pine. The ingredients, it's got shea butter, mango butter, apricot oil, jojoba oil, lanolin, beeswax, cocoa seed oil, or butter, and then the fragrance. And like I said, these are both Tree Ranger. Let's go ahead and open these up and take a look. Here's the Tree Ranger utility balm. Yeah, it scoops out really easy. It's not gritty. It breaks down very easy in the hands. And the smell, it is very, piney. I do enjoy that. You do pick up the eucalyptus, but it breaks down very easily in your hands. That's the balm. Utility balm. This is more of a butter. They do offer a styling balm with more hold. So if you're looking for something with a little less hold, more like a butter, you're going to want to look at this utility balm. Let's check out their oil. Tree Ranger as well. Their oils are on the lighter side. It's got the cool dropper on there, depending on how big your beard is depending on how many drops you're gonna need. Like I said, it's a real light oil. It's good stuff, man. They both smell. Yeah, it smells really good. So overall review, I do like Beardbrand. I have used it before. I know a lot of people talk about it. They have a big following on YouTube. If you're not following them, give them a follow. The best content for beards on YouTube. I would say they got the Alliance. If you're not part of the Alliance, you guys can go ahead and apply for that. I'm going to go ahead and link their website in the description. I don't have any discount codes, unfortunately, but if you got some money to spend, give it a try. It's definitely worth it. Yeah, there are cheaper options. You don't have to use Beardbrand, but if you want to splurge and take care of your beard, go ahead and do that, man. Like I said, go ahead and really check them out. Really cool stuff. Anyway, until next time, this is your boy Fear the Beard. Stay bearded and take care, my friends. Later.